and now preview. See. So like this, you have to learn and then create a documentation and save it. And this is the documentations. Okay. So this is the documentations. Now I'm going to talk about one feature which you see in projects. So guys, projects, what you have. So in the Jira, I hope you remember the Scrum kind of project. Do you remember that? Scrum kind of project?
Yeah.
Yeah. So something you will see here actually. So yes, issue management is there, which is a very flat way to manage. But how do we manage the Scrum? So for that, what you need to do, you need to create a project. So right now, there is no project which I have for this repository. So who will create a project? So it will be done at the org level. Org level also, so many features are there. See org, this is your name of org. In GitHub, you can create a free org as many files you can store it. That's a superb actually. Repository, projects, package, teams, people, and settings. So I have come for projects. So can we create a new projects? And this projects I'm creating, what is the based on the table format, board format, what you like, it's up to you. Some templates are here, feature template, backlog template. Board is good because that way I will feel it's a Scrum board. Create it. And here, this is the project. You can give a name of it, what you want, Saturday or something. Saturday and DevOps, something like that. And here you have to add item, issue item. So you can add existing item also. Okay. So this up to you. And here, DevOpsSchool not working. Ticket 1, ticket 2, ticket 3, ticket 4, ticket 5. All this thing you can do that. And now every day you will have a meeting, and you will say, hey, what about this ticket? Okay, it's in progress. Okay, what about this ticket? It's in progress. What about this ticket? Oh, this is done actually. So yeah, done. And this is how you will work on it and complete the sprint. And this you keep going actually. So this you can create a multiple view here, table view here, board view here, and stuff like that. Are you able to understand that? Hello?
Yeah, that
Will
is.
this will this
Hello.
also create like the roadmaps as well, like a GitHub
Uh,
tool?
Roadmap means some basic reportings will be there.
Okay.
Roadmap for that, I need to check. To be honest, uh, Agile is the best one for the Kanban roadmap. This, Scrum and all stuff like that. So
Because the reason I asked is like here we are seeing some insights of a project. So,
yeah,
that's
basic.
one of the thing that will be seen as well, right?
Yeah. So if you want to see the roadmap, the best place to look at this is to just again is to check in the repository levels first. Let me see that. Even I never noticed actually. So go to the issues and milestone is there. Yeah. So milestone can be a roadmap. Okay. This will act like a roadmap. So there's no milestone actually right now. So you can create a project level milestone, and inside that you can go for this. So yeah, what you can do is you can link a project which is Saturday DevOps. Let me refresh. Here it is. And then you can create a milestone, and that will work like a roadmap. Now the question is, how do we create it? That I need to find out myself also. So okay, so this I'll keeping a task for you. So you will find it for me and share with the group. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so now this is the something which we have projects. So projects you can just a second. So projects you can do that. Now how do we do the role-based access control? So for that what you need to do is first thing you have to onboard the people. So right now you see that 13 people is allocated to this here. You can invite more people by ID and all, and you can do that. So after that, inviting the people, they will get an email. They will accept that. See here, failed invitation. So that means I invited many people in the past, out of which 3 people have not accepted the invitation. So like that. So if they have done it, then what you need to do, you need to create you need to create you need to create teams here. So here I've created fake some few teams. Let me create few more teams. Let's say this is a dev team. And what kind of secret visible? So dev team is created Saturday. And what is this month? Today, December 2022. So create a team. So this is a team, and you will add a people. Okay, invite a people. Here you can do that. So SM Galaxy is one of my another account. So inviting him, his ID, I remember that. So I invited him, and he'll become a team members actually pending right now. So this team, you will have one member. So like that, you will have to create a team. So multiple teams you have it. Now, how do you give access to these people who's a part of this team? So go to the repository, go to the repository here, and go to the setting button. Here you see, and guys, here you have so many options. Don't get lost. Only focus on the something which I'm teaching you right now. Slowly you build understanding, because every tools, if you look at this nowadays, it's become so many features, so many complications. Like people get scared actually initially only. So don't get focus on everything. Focus on something which you want to do. So I want to add it, collaborate and teams. And here, is it the people you want to give access to this repository or a team? Of course, team. And I forgot the name of the team. I think this one, yeah. And what kind of access you want to give? Read, write, and all the stuff like that. And I gave the access. So now these people who's a part of this team will have right access to this repository and the thing. Admin, you can make it also, by the way. The same way you can manage the role-based access control. By the way, there's so many other features also, like protecting the branches and policies and so on. Many things are there. So guys, are you comfortable so far, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now one more feature which is very important for all of you should know, and that's called pull request. What is a pull request? First understand this, and then I'll create it. Okay. So pull request, you can do it in this way. So here, this is a GitHub. Okay. And this is a one of the repository which you are your team's repository. And this is your laptop. And this is the same repository you cloned it. Just now I acted like a different person and cloned it. And in this repository, you have a two branch actually. One is branch which is called master, and there is one branch called fee1. Remember, this is the GitHub, this is the local. Now here also you'll have a master branch and fee1 branch. You know what? For many security region and for many other regions, you will not be given access to master. Why? I think more or less you can understand. So you will not be given to the access to the master. So what to do? So very simple thing, what you are going to do, you will work in the local master branch, okay, create one feature branch or some other branch also. And then what you will do, you will push to this branch where you have access. So master, you don't have direct access, but feature one you have got access. And from that you will push to the feature one branch, and then you will request to the team saying that, hey team, I've done my work. Can you pull it from here? Can you review my code and can you pull it? So teams, you are requesting this process for feature one to master branch merging is called pull request, one of the pull requests. Are you understanding, all of you?
Yeah.
But Rajesh, what is the
So
need for like creating feature one if I am working on my
because
local machine with a cloned version?
because you don't have access to push to the master, no, that is a problem. Why they have not given you access? I think you can understand that.
Okay.
Very right. You don't have access. So what I'll do, I'll do the same way first. So where is my? So let me work on the feature one branch. So guys, look at my screen. This is the master branch, I'm going to work on feature one branch. All commands you know by now. So feature one branch, check out feature one branch, and I'm going to work on it. So touch feature 1111.txt and git commit -m adding fee 1111 and this one. Are you comfortable with this code, guys? I think did you add it? No, I made a mistake. Add dot git commit, and this is cool, right? This is good, right? All of you?
Commit spelling is done.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. Good observation. Done. And after that, I'll push to the feature one branch. I repeat, pushing to the feature. So git push origin v1 in the remote. So I pushed it because assuming I don't have access to the master. So now if I push it, let me just, it's taking time. My Git bash has certain problems actually. I need to clean up. Okay, so let's come here. See here, the moment you push, they have told you, hey, you have a new changes in the push v1. Do you like to create a pull request against the master? Because they knows everything, the v1 is from the master, right? So look at this here. First, there's no v1111 is here, but exactly it's here. But unfortunately, you don't have access to master. So what to do? So I'll go to the pull request options, and here, see, I'm a programmer, but on top of me, I have a senior programmer. I have a senior architect who knows the code better than me. So I will request him, please review my code and approve this merge request from the fee1 on GitHub to master on GitHub. How do I do that? So I'm not following this. You can follow this one and create it faster, but I'm showing you manual, little stretch, new pull request. See here, from which one? Master to master? No. This not work. This will not work. So here, fee1 to master. Correct? See arrow. Look at this arrow. So fee1 to master. Now how many changes you have? Only one change is just now I did it. And can I create a pull request? Yes. Now I should assign to my reviewer. Who's my reviewer? Someone. And this guy will get an email actually. I don't know him. One of my student, but and who's assigning who should approve this? Review will be done by someone else. Approving will be done by someone else. Something like this. And you can label, you can set the milestone and all stuff like that. And here, create a pull request. Now your reviewer and assignee whom you assign, he will get an email and he will come, and I'm acting like a reviewer, and okay, I got one pull request through email, and this is the one information. Let me see what code he has made it. Let me review the code. Okay, so if I see that code review requested and merge also requested, I want to see how many commits he has in this particular pull review. Okay, there's one commit. And this check is automated actually. This is done by the security scanning. Right now not enabled, so it's not done. And how many files got changed? One. Let me see the code, what Rajesh has written. So yeah, Rajesh has written, this is some code. Okay, looks okay for me. Looks okay for me. And I will say, okay for me, something like this. And I will comment it and submit the review. After that, approver's job. Here, this is approver job. So I have to act like approver also. And I'm acting like approver. Okay, this good. I got approval here. Okay for me. So my approver is saying, okay, that means okay, I can trust all this thing, rules and security things. I'll check it and all everything. And then merge pull request and confirm merge. This is how we work in a team. So this is done, and then now you go to code here and look at the master branch, and you see that this file is there here now. So now ultimate destination for the code was in the master branch, and using the pull request you pushed it through, and then you have it there. So are you able to understand that, guys, all of you?
Yeah, Rajesh. So pull request is means inside the GitHub, you have
Hmm.
to add, merge the new code sent by the team members, right, in the master
Yes,
branch
yes,
code.
yes, yes.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.